Binahagi ni Allen G. Mendoza, Chief Education Supervisor of Curriculum Implementation Division o CID, ang bagong inilunsad ng lungsod ng Mandaluyong na programa upang wakasan ang mga mag-aaral na hirap magbasa at magsulat sa isang mini press conference sa St. Andrews School, Parañaque, February 27. Nagdalayon ang programang Technical Assistant and Monitoring Activities o TAMA na tulungan ang mga mag-aaral ng Mandaluyong pagdating sa literacy at numeracy nito gamit ang pagsubaybay dito.
The barangay, leaders, the non-government organization, and of course the local government will be involved here, headed by the School Division Superintendent or Dr. Romero Cruz. But before that, allow me to align our program. The one that I mentioned, that there will be alignment.
Samantala, ibinahagi ni Mendoza na mas nakatuon sila ngayon sa pagpapahusay ng literacy ng mga estudyante dahil 60 to 70% ng mag-aaral na marunong sa literacy kumpara sa 80% ng mga mag-aaral na marunong sa numeracy.
More effective the program is in adherence to the Division Memorandum number 122, series of 2025, we were able to craft the technical assistance monitoring activities, and we call it Project TAMA, wherein the school, initiated by the Schools Division Superintendent and the top management, with the schools, education program supervisors, in collaboration with the Curriculum Implementation Division and the school governance, will collaborate and go to the school to provide technical assistance and monitor activities in school to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of the program implemented towards attaining the goal of the strategies cited, the 5 pillars of the National Capital Region.